yes, Etsy family. I hope you guys are well. We're back with the Tumblr one. It's been an overdue one. This is the one. I love the Tumblr one. Listen, people keep telling me, not telling me, but I hear people say online and stuff like that. Tumblers, why are we doing Tumblers? Aren't they oversaturated? I'm here to prove otherwise, man. I love to prove it. I love that verification, that validation, and I'll show you that, you know what? If you get into the right niche, it can make the realest cash. The golden nugget will appear from the ground and you'll see it glistening and you can make that money because you just can if you find it. And I'll show you how to find it. So let me show you some fantastic tumblers to get right now, ideas, and they're so profitable. And guys, as usual, if you love Etsy products, you love researching, listing, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget share, cause let's just share, please. Thank you. Anyways, let's go. So tumblers, yeah, we got massive results on tumblers. Yeah, we know this. Look, 1,600,000. Okay. We get it. We get it. But where are those where's the gems, right? How do we find gems? And guys, listen, before I get going with this video, check out this little gift mode if you haven't seen it. This says new. So at the time of doing this video, it's new, right? I did a video on, check out my breaking news, playlist, sorry. My breaking news playlist where I spoke about this new gift mode and how to maximize. So literally what you have to do if you're doing tumblers, right? Do get into the personalization subnet. Get into that because Etsy algorithm's going to favor you lot that are getting to be more personalized so that it can be, you know, bought as gifts. That's why it's got gift mode. Gift mode meaning that. So I'm going to focus on that. You focus on that, you know, so I can get those more sales. I tell you what, it's a great opportunity. So check out my playlist on breaking news, man. Anyways, so let's quickly find those profitable tumblers, the ones that are going to be profitable, that are making that cash, and they're recent ones as well. So this is how I do it. So we can look across and we can see all these tumblers from these 20-ounce skinny personalized tumblers, which I like. You got these affirmation ones, you got these Highland cow ones on the right, which just never ever stop selling. They're just bestsellers throughout. People love their Highland cows. And you got these other bestsellers, this family photo collage Tumblr PNG. These are cool, guys. This is the one. You got to be focused on these, right? These are cool as well, right? All sorts. Again, this one as well, this one's getting to be quite popular. Come on, I want to see it. Okay, I'm not. There you go, with the images on there, yeah? Yeah, so the personalization. Get into that. Don't forget that, man. With names, photos of family. Look, they're actually just all on the first page, mostly. So let's actually see where the cash is at, right? I'm going to go now and see where the money is on these tumblers right now, and that are going to be fantastical to do. So if we can check out product analytics at my EVERBEE, my go-to research tool, the one I call EVERBEE, the nugget finder, the diamond finder. Check out free access just there at the top of my description. Boom. Anyways, let's go. This is the one. I'm going to do it real quick, guys. Check it out, man. I'm going to give you some nuggets today. Oh my God. You're going to be happy today with me. Let me go to search the entire database, man. Database. I got to stop it. Okay. So I'm going to go to list. Oh, some of these make some serious money. 2-month-old listing making $59,000 per month. $59,000 per month. Anyways, let me just leave that for a second because I want to just show you something, which is that's a 2-month-old listing. I'm gonna filter. Let me filter in these recent listings, man. And I want to show you something else, which is mad. So maximum listing age of 2 months. Okay, maximum 2 months. That's just recent, guys. Some recent thing. Okay, And then just to make it even better, a shop age of about, what shall we say, 4 months. Just a new store, new shop, right? Coming into the game. Let's see if they can make some cash in the Tumblr game, right? You know, but some people think the Tumblers are saturated, but imagine someone coming into the game new and then get their listing new. Can they actually make money? And that's what we're going to validation right now. Here we go. Boom. Here we go. This store listing is making $35,000 per month. It's a 2-month-old listing, and it's also a very recent store. There you go, man. Check this out. It's a mad one. It's a personalized one. It's a dog mom tumbler. It's a custom dog ear skinny tumbler, right? Select your options. Choose your color. Boom, right? Choose your color. And then just write down, please enter the name and the dog breed, right? So the dog pet personalization Tumbler Wraps, tumblers, not wraps, tumblers, straight personalization is the one, right? This is lovely, right? Guys, learn from the best. Look at these. Fabuloso. And they got this nice little design on there as well. You know, fantastic little design for the dog. You got a dog breed outline almost there as well. So, like I said, the personalization niche is gonna be growing massively for tumblers. I'm telling you now, and even more so with that gift mode, right? So you best get on this. Okay, let's go down because we got more for you. Look at these. This is a 1-month-old listing. I'll tell you one thing about the 40 ounce. It's getting big now. The 40 ounce tumbler is coming up in terms of popularity. Is growing. It was a 20 ounce skinny tumbler, which is still popular, but the 40 ounce one is one to get into. And it's a very simple one. This is a personalization one, right? And this is simply a, you got the options there, okay? And then you got the personalization, which is basically putting your name there. And the font. You get options of font. So for example, here, and you got the design style. So very simple, giving you options, easy, quick to do, all right? I'm sure I've done a video on tumblers with Printify to actually get it sold, like as in like print on demand. I'm sure I did that. Look at that. You get the options of these. That's nice. You got options of like little SVGs on there, yeah, with a little text. So that's quite nice little personalization. And you got a nice little video to show it off. I like that. I like that. Quite simple. But that's what I'm saying. That's what it's taking. This is Etsy's pick, guys. This is Etsy's pick. All right. I'm showing you the ones that make the cash. And then let's go down. So personalized tumblers is something that you're going to have to get into if you want to make that real money. 1-month-old listing again. So this has got that. You got to think about times of the year. So this one, obviously, they've thought about Valentine's Day. Great gift. Great idea. Making almost $5,000. Not the cheapest thing. It's quite an expensive one. Again, it's a 40 ounce Valentine Stanley tumbler with hearts. So what I'm trying to say to you, I'm giving you tips that the 40 ounces are a decent one to get into as well, right? If you can, try and get into the 40 ounce. Okay. Okay. So look, this is the one that I was talking about. That's at the moment, I think this is definitely something you need to kind of get into, and it's a personalized pictures collage tumbler. Wow, the custom photos one. You got to get into this one. This one's a must. You know, these ones, family images. You know, that's a bestseller. So that family photo, or the babies, whatever images that they want to provide you with, that you can upload and put it onto the Tumblr. I think that's a really, really good one to do. But also there's the other aspect where you actually provide them with a PNG where they can upload the images themselves. That's also slightly different angle to this. So let's just go back and just quickly see some of these. Okay, here's another slightly different idea. So 1-month-old listing. Remember, the store age is also very recent, right? So it's like someone coming into the game quite recently, but they're already making cash. Now, this one's a slightly different idea, $791. It's a 1-month-old listing. I mean, pretty good to make almost $800 for a 1-month-old listing, man. And what this is a Zodiac skinny tumbler straw personalized astrology, right? Personalized astrology. Let's just very quickly have a look at this. It's quite interesting. So again, this zodiac idea, we know that these can sell quite well as mug wraps, but obviously this is a pod where they get the astrology of angled zodiac niche style design. These are very nice, actually, very nice designs. Let me just zoom in. Yeah. So what you do is you get the beautiful design like that. And the personalization, you got your personalized option as well. Oh, look what you got. You got various options as well. In your zodiac size, choose your size. Yeah. So like I said, the big, the biggest, I guess, the money, where the money's at, I think is probably more in these personalization ones, which is probably going to grow actually within the sort of Tumblr niche. Now, I haven't looked specifically, I haven't been specific in terms of Tumblr Wraps, okay? But I can also find those, right? If I went specific to Tumblr Wraps, right? Where it's just a pure digital download. And we can also find that those will be making money as well if you find the right niche. So if I go to product analytics very quickly, and then being very specific, I mean, this is different. It's like a mega bundle of tumblers. Again, if you're not doing a mega bundle or entire store did a video on it, then you need to be doing that, especially if you've got enough listings, I guess, to do it. This is yeah, so Tumblr app ones, and remember, the age has gone a bit wild with this one. I mean, look, this is a 3-month-old listing. This one's a 3-month-old listing, but I did speak on these before. I mean, this was a more related to a Christmas one, making 5,129. It was just a single wrap. It's a single wrap. So what I'm saying is these tumblers, if you get it right and you get the right combination, this is obviously Highland Cow, which people love, which a lot of people love, combining with that Christmas, and then you got that pink Christmas element. It's got all the right ingredients basically, and it did really well. I mean, it was geared for Christmas. It's it's a bestseller, and it's making. I mean, it's still current. over $5,000 per month, 3-month-old listing, and it shows you a recent listing again. So it's about finding those ingredients, whether it be a physical Tumblr or whether it be a digital download. I mean, this is a digital download. You can make the money as long as you hit the right niche. I'm going to end it with this. If you can make the money, if you hit the right sub niche, right? You just got to make sure that you get the right sub niche. Again, here's another one. It's only a 3-month-old listing, guys. This one. It's a 3-month-old listing. This is another digital download. And it's a glitter bundle because people love glitter Tumbler wraps, right? Or tumblers. People love the glitter aspect. So knowing what people love and providing with them that. And this one obviously is a bundle. They've done 100 glitter bundle, right? You can't say no to that if you love glitter. You can't say no to that. It's a bestseller, boom, 20 plus cards, right? You can't say no to this. That's what I'm saying. If you do something that people love and then you kind of sell it in a way that you can't say no to. So if you love glitter Tumbler wraps and someone is offering you selling 100 different glitter styles, you're going to buy it, right? 2,505. It's knowing what's popular, knowing what sells, knowing what people are looking for, and then just providing that. So look, 2,505. It is on a sale right now, so you got to take it into account. It's only a 3-month-old listing, very new listing again, very recent listing, making that cash. So guys, at the end of the day, can you sell our tumblers saturated? No, they're not. Some Tumblr saturated ideas are, others are not, but you can always find niches and you can always find new ones, and new ones are emerging every single day. It's just about finding them. So you need some kind of software, you need some kind of platform, you need some kind of tool like I use, like EVERBEE, whatever you want to use, so that you can find those gems, man. They are there, they exist. You can make that Tumblr cash still. It is there in the anything, in pod, in digital downloads. Get that cash right now, guys. So if you love the video, if you like my video, please hit like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.